Say hi. Say it like a man, dude. What's up? Like that. No, I'm just joking. Alright. I'm doing a sound check tonight on this strat I'm trying to get worked out. It seems to have a weak high end, so we're adjusting the pickups and whatnot. I might have to just switch them. We'll see what happens. Sam, a little bit. Just chill out a little bit. I like the sound of it. I'm used to humbuckers, so I'm not used to this single coil. It has a different sound. The high end seems a little bit brittle and weak and thin, you know what I mean. Sam, don't touch those buttons. That's what I call a ghost vibrato. It seems to be sounding pretty good. Hopefully I'll get everything adjusted. I think I need to adjust the truss rod a bit more. Other than that, I think everything's going to be fine. Sam, leave those buttons alone. Hunters don't listen very well, by the way. You have to lower that bridge pickup.